Okay, we have a cold mile, and this to take the liquid, 20 beads in a circle, and the rose. Now I'm showing, I close this with this machine, slowly inside. I take some liquid, very few, and put it slowly all around. I take the string with the beads, put them inside, let them drip, and put it in the middle. At the end, I take the rose, I drip it and let it dry, drip a little, oops, and put it in the middle. Let it dry for some time, burn the strings, and that's it. It takes like 24 hours to dry, or 48, depends.